In CourseMapper, while reading a learning material, if a learner do not understand something on the slide, clicking on Did Not Understand button shows top 5 main concepts extracted from the slide. The learner can mark the difficult concepts as not understood by clicking on the provided button or by right-clicking on the concept and choosing the desired option. The concepts not understood from the current slide appears here in the list. The concepts marked as not understood from previous slides appear in the second list here. In this way, the learner can know all the concepts they do not understand from the whole learning material all the time. The learner can mark as many concepts as they not understand in the learning material from various slides. Once all the not understood concepts known as DNU concepts are marked, clicking on Show Recommendations button triggers the recommendation process. Firstly, the learners are recommended 5 related knowledge concepts that they should master to understand their DNU concepts, using graph convolutional networks and pre-trained transformer language model encoders. These are the recommended knowledge concepts based on the learner's DNUs. Clicking on each concept shows its Wikipedia abstract and a link to the Wikipedia page. The learner can further mark the concept as understood or not understood. Moreover, an explanation on why a certain knowledge concept is recommended is provided with each concept in visual and textual formats. The visual explanation shows the knowledge graph structure in form of nodes and edges, and the textual explanation translates this knowledge graph structure into textual format. For example, here the concept human-computer interaction is recommended to help the learner understand concepts, discoverability, and usability, due to the following reasons based on the paths between the nodes. Firstly, because usability and human-computer interaction appear in the same slide, which we can see in the visual explanation as well. We can see here that there is a relationship between slide 4 and the concepts usability and human-computer interaction. The second reason that the concept human-computer interaction is recommended is that usability and human-computer interaction have the same category on Wikipedia named human-computer interaction. This can be clearly seen in the visual explanation that the learner do not understand usability and human-computer interaction have the same category named human-computer interaction. The third reason is that the DNU discoverability and human-computer interaction have the same related concept, usability. This can also be clearly seen in the knowledge graph structure in the corresponding visual explanation. Along with the knowledge concepts, learners are also provided recommendations of external learning resources including YouTube videos and Wikipedia articles. These personalized recommendations are generated based on the DNU concepts of each learner. With the title of each video, the similarity score is shown, which helps the user know the similarity percentage of the video with their DNU concepts, as well as main key phrases extracted from the description, to help the learners in recommendation selection. The video recommended can be directly viewed by playing it on the interface rather than redirecting the user outside CourseMapper. Moreover, the learners can provide feedback to the recommendation by marking it as helpful or not helpful. Clicking on the helpful button prompts the user to select the DNU this video helped them to understand, providing detailed feedback to the system. In addition to YouTube videos, Wikipedia articles are also recommended to the learners to offer them diverse forms of learning resources. Similar to YouTube videos, there is a similarity score shown with the article to inform learners about how similar this article is with their DNUs. Furthermore, the key phrases extracted from the article are displayed along with the article's abstract and an option to view whole article on Wikipedia. The learners can give detailed feedback to the system about the recommended article in the same way as for the recommended videos by selecting the DNU that they were able to understand after reading this article. In this way, CourseMapper recommends personalized learning resources to the learners based on their knowledge deficiencies. Join CourseMapper today and experience a smarter, more connected way to learn, where collaboration and personalization come together to empower your education.